Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Tech with Gully. If your laptop runs slow or hangs, is there any solution? Yes, you can follow these tips. First tips. Open Windows search bar. Search services. Scroll down. Find Window Updates and double-click on it. Go to Startup Type and disable the update type from there. Follow the mouse cursor. Friends, due to Windows Update, your computer system starts running very slow, so Window Update has to be stopped. But yes, you can update Window by enabling it once in a month and you can close it again, due to which your laptop is running while running. The data which seems too much will also be saved and the laptop will hang and will not run slow. Second tips. Open My PC. Select C Drive and click right button. Click Disk Cleanup. Follow mouse cursor. Friends, with this trick, all the useless files, documents will be deleted in your C drive. Third tips. Type on your keyboard Window key plus R. Type %temp% and press OK button. Select All and delete. Delete from recycle bin. This trick will delete all the temporary files on your computer. Fourth tips. Press Window button plus R. Type prefetch and click OK button. Click Continue. Select All and delete. Also delete from recycle bin. After doing all these processes, restart your computer system. After that your computer will run much faster than before.